Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C21Y, and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom in order to find digital well-being and parental controls. Now let's tap on show your data, and as you can see here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. And as you can see, I've been using it for 50 minutes and most of the time I've spent on the settings. What's more, we've got the unlock counts and notification counts. If you want to, you can tap on particular app, for example the settings, in order to check for how long you've been using it today. Or here we've got also the weekly graphs. You can of course change the screen time, notifications received, and daily, hourly, and so on and so on. After getting back and tapping inside, actually in the middle of this graph, you will be able to check the screen time for the whole apps actually. And under it you've got of course listed all of them, so you can check for how long particularly you've been using, for example the settings, phone, camera, or Chrome in my case. Let's get back, and as you can see here, we've got some ways to disconnect. So if you need the time for yourself, or you need to focus, you need to work, or you just want to sleep, you can set particular modes, and it's quite a cool option because after entering, for example, the focus mode, you will be able to select the apps which are distracting you, from which you are receiving a lot of notifications. So for example, let me mark Chrome, and as you can see, you will be able to tap on turn it on now, and your device will limit the notifications from this app. You can of course set a schedule. Just tap on it, and as you can see, you can pick the start time and end time. So that's quite a cool option, and I highly recommend to use it if your device is distracting you too much. And under it you've got some options to reduce the interruptions. So you've got manage notifications and standard do not disturb mode. So actually this is it. This is how to check the screen time in your REALME C21Y. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.